careful since you could dry out the pizza. Just simple, basic. This is actually a pre-cooked. You see, it's quite big, but it's only 250 grams. No? Because when you have a lot of bubbles inside the dough, the volume of the pizza will really increase. Dopo gli facciamo vedere una super fine, so now it's cooling down and then we will use it afterwards. Now we wait until everybody's here before we start, and but I'm giving some extra information. I will introduce you all the people, and I will also tell you exactly what we are doing for the whole seminar. Voilà. Qui, leggermente, e gli fai una piccola spaccatura dove sta già aperto bene. Se qui si attacca un po' lo spacchi in bene. So this is a way of actually doing a stuffed pizza. Normally when you want to do a stuffed pizza, there are two ways. You do a calzone, so you just fill it in, the dough, you stretch the dough, you fill it in, you close and you bake. And the problem of the calzone, it is not easy to bake it. There is a lot of dough, and you can have dense dough, for example, where you seal it, or also because all the ingredients inside have a lot of humidity, of course. So it's not easy to let evaporate the exceeding part of the water of the ingredients and the dough. So you could get a really chewy and dense dough. Or you can bake a thick pizza, white, and then you cut it. But when you cut it and it's hot, of course you will spoil the crumb inside. So normally you take it away, and when you fill in and you serve it, the problem is that when you have cut it, of course you will lose the freshness of the pizza sooner because you cut it everything. This is another way of doing it, which is actually mainly, as you can see, it is one ball of dough, just stretch, a little bit of oil on one side, you bend it, and you put inside, so you bake without any ingredients inside. This gives the chance to the dough to bake properly with all the alveolus. No? Then you can let it cool down. It will preserve its freshness longer since you haven't cut everything. Then you just stuff it. You finish baking in the oven for 1 minute, 1 minute and a half, and you serve it. And you will see later on the quality you get and how fast you can be. So you can work when you have time and be fast when you don't have time and you are on your peak hours on selling. Or even prepare them and serve more pizzerias. Ci alterniamo anche dietro, nel senso lui chiaramente fa 5 delle operazioni, però diciamo il taglio, magari stendete anche voi il taglio.
Sì, facciamo qualcosa, faccio questo.